So welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about all the beautiful ladies. So during this time of lockdown, this is a real challenge for who goes for vaccine, and people who saves are a real stock. And so today I'm going to save my upper lip, eyebrows and my whole face. Also, I used Gillette Venus for my body. Generally, I don't use razor much, but razor is always a backup for me, because who knows, whenever we are in need, we need a razor anytime. So this is a backup always. But as I have a perception that using a razor can make the skin dry, but though it is only my perception, everyone doesn't feel so, but it really helps when it's in emergency. And we are almost for 60 days at home since lockdown, so it is very important. And now the hair has grown drastically, so it's good to clean in this lockdown with alternative. Like I said, I have also used razor for my body parts, and like in the leg and underarms, I have shaved through this razor. And this Venus razor is a good one. It has aloe vera in it, so it doesn't made me feel so harsh on the skin. So I used it, and also it is very helpful for me when I need it in emergency. So anytime it's my backup. So this is the one I have used for my face, and this is a face razor from letmesave.com. So I took this from Amazon, and it has also given me a speedy delivery. And this I ordered during lockdown 3, and from so long I kept it because I didn't had guts to do. But now I thought, let's do it. So before starting, I will use aloe vera gel. Any aloe vera gel is good for it. So I have the Patanjali aloe vera Saundarya one, so I'm using that. So today I'm going to save my face, and the face razor I have bought from letmesave.com is a very good one. It is so smooth. Whenever I'm applying it, it is just beyond imagination, because we do find razor sometime जैसे कि गड़ते हैं, तो ऐसा टाइप का कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं हुआ. इट इज़ सो स्मूथ, बिकॉज जैसे ही मैंने यू कैन सी, मैं जब अपना फेस में लगा रही हूँ, just a single stroke, it is coming out, and it is a very easy one. And that's why I'm sharing my experience over here, so that you can find this video useful. पहले मैं यूज़ करने का पहले तो इतना नर्वस थी कि मैं कैसे यूज़ करूँगी. एंड अब जब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, इट इज़ सो ईजी, एंड इट इज़ जस्ट विथ वन स्ट्रोक द हेयर्स आर कमिंग आउट. एंड ऑल्सो एक इसमें कोई खरोच नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपका टोटली हाइजीनिक है. आप इसको टिश्यू से या वाइप से रब करके फिर से उसको ढक्कन लगा के रख सकते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ कम, द पैकेजिंग इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, and it is, the blades are being covered, so it's hygienically very much protective. From up to downwards, I am just stroking it from upwards to downwards, and it is coming very gently. I am not giving any pressure on it. Very lightly I am just stroking it, and it is coming out. It's very easy. It's very easy, and it's totally worth of money. is a must that we use rose water. It soothes the skin. You can use any toner also. So that's all how I clean my face. Hope you have liked it and hope you find this video useful, and I thank you for watching, ladies, and I hope you have liked this video. And also I will share the link of this face razor so that you can easily purchase it from Amazon, and this is the best experience I could ever had and I have shared with you all. So some love if you have liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos because I need your support.